Good morning, welcome to the Perkins Garages YouTube channel. This here is a dynamic red MG5 long range. Long range, 250 miles of it. 250 miles is going to come from a 115 kilowatt motor. In old money, that's about 154 brake horsepower. So these exclusive MG5s have tons of specification on them. They look amazing. They're on a 72 plate, so you're going to have warranty until September 2029. The vehicle itself has only done just over 2,000 miles, so it's incredibly low mileage. And the best thing of all, it's ready to drive away today. So there is a bit of a waiting list for a brand new one. If you were to order a brand new MG5 today, you could be waiting for a little while. So if you want to drive away this weekend in a brand new vehicle, come see us. 72 plate, looks amazing. Right, anyway, let's run you through the specification on these lovely MG5s. So you've got some great SIAC light technology headlights there, so really good condition, top quality headlights there. The MG5s do charge from the front of the vehicle, so you release that little flap. You've got AC charging, DC charging, so that's your home charging, and that's your rapid charging in public situations. So you've got both the options there. So that's a little bit about where it's charged from. A little radar down there for the driver assistance pack. That takes us round to the offside, where you can see some beautiful, I think they're 16 spoke, 16 inch alloy wheels. Got some really nice alloys on there, and they are all fitted with Bridgestone tyres on these MG5s. I love the estate cars. I love the estate design and the practicality of it. Loads of boot space. When we talk about boot space, we'll look around the outside. So driver's door handle, keyless entry, click on there, unlock the vehicle, click on there, lock the vehicle. Just make sure you've got the key in your pocket or handbag, close proximity, and that'll work without a problem. Okay, so let's get you some reflections. Unfortunately it's quite dark here today, so but you can still see the beautiful condition of this MG5. Around the rear of the vehicle, rear parking sensors, like that, and we've also up there got a rear vision camera as well. Round to the near side of the vehicle, we'll show you a bit of the near side rear wheel. We'll pan upwards once more, around the body panels to the near side front. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So I'm going to lock the car quickly so I can get in the boot. Okay, so MG5's a state car, so we're going to have a nice deep filling boot there, multi-level, challenge to show with one hand, but we have got a multi-height floor there, so you might have just seen awkwardly I put up that to the next level height. So when you do fold the seats down, obviously if the headrest wasn't up, that'd go all the way flat. Nice flat entry all the way through. Over 1,300 litres of usable boot space. With the seats folded up and your tornado cover removed, that's about 700 litres. So you've got a nice large boot space here. Retractable cover. Beautiful. What else would you want? Underneath here, we're going to have a tyre sealant kit. So you've got your compressor and your actual sealant gunk as well. So you're always going to be going in the right direction. And obviously, it's a nice safe thing to use as well. So if you don't want to be changing a spare wheel on the side of a busy motorway, obviously that does fold flat, just thought I'd show you. Okay, we'll pop that back up. MG5 seats, absolutely incredible, really nice, really comfort. You've got perforated leather in the middle there, so it's nice and breathable. Two ISO fixing seats there and there, and just look at the definition here. I've been in these cars for quite a journey, and I'm quite a big lad, and they're awfully comfortable. Down there is two USBs as well, and we've got floor mats in this already, so don't worry about the floor mats. You've got them already. Wonderful. Open up the driver's door. We've got 4 electric windows all the way around, child lock for the rear. Interior locking is found just next to the door handle. Pan round now, and let's have a look at the driver's seat, where we've got a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5 and a 6-way adjustable driver's seat. So the vehicle has only done 2,000 miles, and you can just see how brand new this leather is. So I'm in the market for definition, so you can see the definition on the base part of the seat there, and once again on the lower body, and this leather looks brand new. Again, MG5 mats are already in there, don't worry about that. Keyless stop start go button to twin up with a keyless entry, so you can gain entry, gain access, and start the key out at all. Okay, So we've got a part analog, part digital display. Just turned it on. We'll turn the radio down and I'll give you a tour around there. So once again, this is the long range vehicle. So once you put the vehicle into eco, like so, once you're in eco, I'll just put it back to normal there. Eco, you got 250 miles of usable range, or 240, because whoever's driving this vehicle probably drove it quite aggressively. So if we reset the chip computers, that will go up to 250, no problem. So left hand side is where you've got your speedo, and the right hand side would be an RPM gauge, but we've got no engine to count the revolutions of anymore. So that is a percentage of power. That percentage of power, obviously 0 to 100 is full power in the boost section. And you've also got the blue section at the bottom, which is the charge, and that displays the kinetic energy recovery systems. 3 levels of recovery on this vehicle, and that is symbolised by that little number with a colour band around the outside. So you've got 3 levels, and 3 is the heaviest. So you get about minus 20% power, and that's going to be recovering energy back into the battery. You know, efficiency is the name of the game of electric cars. So if you are in a town or a city situation, you can get up to 100 miles of recovery. So it is 250. If you were a taxi driver, for example, in London, or any other city for that matter, it could be up to 350 miles. So it's a really effective system to maximise your money and your electricity. Okay, so that's a quick demo of the screen there. We've got buttons on either side of the steering wheel. We've got some phone connectivity buttons. We've got some more this side as well, and it's going to be controlling the different chip computers on the screen there. And this is obviously your volume controls there as well. Okay, let's go to the left hand side to show you the infotainment screen. Nice and simple to get to terms with this one. 3 different colour bands: media, navigation and phone connectivity. As you can see, we've got the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so whichever software you use on your mobile, it can be used on this vehicle as well. So it makes it a nice hands-free system, so you'll never be touching your phone again. Myself, I'm an Apple user, so Apple CarPlay is my cup of tea, and that helps me because I can use such as Siri. So when I click the voice connection button, voice activation button even, I can ask it to take me to Tesco's, play Elton John, I can call my mum, I can anything you like. It makes it hands-free. Because it's an exclusive, obviously the leather trim, we've got heated front seats both sides as well, so keep your bum nice and warm. Different car settings in there as well. You can go to there, just different things of the MG Pilot system, and that includes such as lane keep assist. We've got forward collision system, so loads of driver assistance software to be found. South of the screen, but it's a nice little cover, and that exposes the media port and the charging port and a 12-volt socket. Oh, that goes in. Ooh, soft touch. Heating, ventilation and air conditioning controls are just found on this cluster here. So you have an on-off button, temperature control, fan speed control. We've got economy, we've got a front and rear, clear screen, recirc, air conditioning, automatic and different functions for the vents there as well. Further south once more we have a mode button and an adjust for the KERS. Rotary gear selector once again appears on these electric vehicles. I love it, it's spring loaded. Flick it round to the D position, gives you drive. Once you've concluded, press P for park and it will apply the handbrake and put you into park as well. So 2 for 1, nice and easy to use. Okay, there is a brief demo of this MG5 exclusive. These vehicles don't hang around long. I'm not just saying this to try to sell a car. If you are interested, pick up the phone. If you leave it a week or two and you call me up and I said, I'm sorry, I sold that last week, what can I do? Have a lovely weekend. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye for now.